Volcanoes are some of the most powerful forces on Earth. They can shape landscapes, destroy cities, and affect our planet's climate. Around the world, more than 1,300 volcanoes are considered active. Some pose little threat, but others sit dangerously close to people, ready to erupt with little warning. Today, we'll count down the top 10 most dangerous active volcanoes in the world. Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's crust where molten rock, gases, and ash escape. When pressure builds up underground, eruptions occur. Some eruptions are small and harmless. Others release massive lava flows, pyroclastic surges, and ash clouds that rise high into the atmosphere. The danger of a volcano depends on its eruption history, its proximity to people, and its potential to disrupt the global environment. With that in mind, let's explore the 10 most dangerous volcanoes that are still active today. We begin with Mount Merapi in Indonesia. Its name means mountain of fire. Located near Yogyakarta, it is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Merapi erupts frequently, sometimes every few years. Its eruptions are known for deadly pyroclastic flows, fast-moving clouds of hot gas, and volcanic material. In 2010, an eruption killed more than 300 people and forced hundreds of thousands to evacuate. Despite the danger, millions live nearby. Merapi is closely monitored, but its activity remains unpredictable. Number 9 is Popocatépetl in central Mexico. The name comes from the Aztec language, meaning smoking mountain. Rising more than 5,400 meters, it is Mexico's second highest peak. Popocatépetl is located near Mexico City, one of the world's largest urban areas. That makes it especially dangerous. Over the last 30 years, it has erupted more than 15 times, sending ash plumes miles into the sky. The volcano remains under constant watch, since a large eruption could affect tens of millions of people. At number 8, Mount Vesuvius in Italy. This is one of the most famous volcanoes in history. In the year 79, Vesuvius erupted and buried the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under ash. Thousands died, and the event became legendary. Today, Vesuvius still threatens the city of Naples and nearby towns. More than 3 million people live in its shadow. It has erupted more than 30 times since that ancient disaster. Scientists agree that Vesuvius will erupt again. The question is when and how severe it will be. Next is Sakurajima in southern Japan. Once an island, it is now connected to the mainland after a massive eruption in 1914. Lava flows filled the strait between the island and Kyushu. Sakurajima erupts so often that small explosions can be seen almost daily. Ash frequently falls on the nearby city of Kagoshima, home to over 500,000 people. Its explosive potential makes it one of Japan's most closely observed volcanoes. Authorities have detailed evacuation plans in case a major eruption occurs. At number 6, Galeras in Colombia. It sits near the city of Pasto with over 300,000 residents. Galeras has erupted many times in recorded history. One of its most tragic events happened in 1993. Scientists attending a conference climbed to the crater for field research. The volcano erupted suddenly, killing 6 of them along with 3 tourists. Galeras remains active with regular explosions and ash emissions. Its proximity to people makes it extremely dangerous. Number 5 is Mount Nyiragongo in the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is known for having one of the world's largest and most active lava lakes. Its lava is unusually fluid, allowing it to flow quickly down slopes. In 1977, an eruption sent rivers of lava racing into nearby villages. More than 600 people were killed. In 2002, another eruption destroyed parts of the city of Goma, displacing nearly 500,000 people. Because of the volcano's steep slopes and fast-moving lava, Nyiragongo remains one of the most dangerous on Earth. At number 4, Mount Rainier in Washington State. Rising over 4,300 meters, it is the tallest volcano in the Cascade Range. Rainier has not had a major eruption in centuries, but scientists consider it highly dangerous. The mountain is covered in ice and glaciers. If Rainier erupts, the heat could melt large amounts of ice, causing lahars, fast-moving mud flows. These could devastate communities downstream, including parts of the Seattle metropolitan area. More than 2 million people live in areas that could be affected by Rainier's hazards. Number 3 is Mount Kilauea, another active Indonesian volcano. Kilauea has erupted many times, often with deadly results. In 1919, an eruption released hot mud flows that killed around 5,000 people. In 2014, Kilauea erupted again, sending ash across western Indonesia. The eruption forced tens of thousands to evacuate and disrupted air travel across the region. Kilauea's explosive nature and history of destructive eruptions make it one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the world. At number 2, Mount Etna in Sicily, Italy. It is Europe's highest and most active volcano. Etna erupts frequently, sometimes several times a year. Though not always deadly, its eruptions often release large lava flows and heavy ash clouds. Etna has been active for hundreds of thousands of years, shaping the island of Sicily. Today, nearly 1 million people live in its surrounding region. Its constant activity, combined with its population exposure, secures Etna's place on this list. Finally, number 1, Mount Tambora in Indonesia. Tambora is infamous for its eruption in 1815, the largest in recorded history. The blast killed over 70,000 people directly, but its global impact was even greater. The eruption released so much ash into the atmosphere that it changed the climate. The following year, 1816, became known as the year without a summer. Crops failed in Europe and North America. Food shortages and famine spread worldwide. Tambora is still active today. While no eruption has reached the scale of 1815, its history proves its catastrophic potential. These volcanoes remind us that Earth is alive and constantly changing. They provide fertile soil, geothermal energy, and natural beauty, but they also carry great risk. With millions of people living near active volcanoes, monitoring and preparation are critical. Advances in science and early warning systems help reduce danger. Yet no technology can prevent eruptions entirely. From Indonesia to Italy, from Japan to the United States, volcanoes remain powerful forces that shape human history. Understanding them is not just about science, it is about survival. These were the top 10 most dangerous active volcanoes in the world. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into our planet's most fascinating natural wonders.